Good morning, all of you. My name is Anushka Bohra. I study in class 3rd A. Today I am doing an activity of SST. I have put water and grains in a bowl kept for the birds. Let's see how the bird eats the grain. Oh my God! Birds are coming. How many birds come here? I hope they are very hungry. I hope they are very hungry and thirsty because they eat grain very fastly and drinking water. They are looking very beautiful when they eat the grains and drinking the water. You see how many birds here looking beautiful. Thank you.